How to fix an unexpected error occurred in Facebook iOS 16. Launch the Settings application on your device and tap on Cellular if you are using cellular data. Tap on Cellular Data Options and make sure the toggle button for Low Data Mode is toggled off. If Low Data Mode is toggled on, then it reduces the data uses and automatic updates, and background tasks such as photo syncing are paused. Go back and now tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is good. If not, click on the info button beside the Wi-Fi you are connected to and tap on Forget this network option and rejoin again. Also, make sure the toggle button for low data mode is toggled off here too. In Settings again, tap on General and then on Date and Time and make sure it is set to set automatically. In General itself, tap on iPhone Storage, scroll down and find the Facebook option and tap on that. You will see the option for Offload App. Go ahead and offload the app and reinstall it again. Offloading the app will delete app, but keep its documents and data. If it is still not fixed, go to your home screen and open App Store and search for Facebook. Make sure the app is updated. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. Lastly, you can delete the app by long pressing on the Facebook icon. You will get the option for Delete App. Tap on that and then on Delete. Delete the app and reinstall it again from the App Store. Your problem should have been fixed by now. Also, lastly, open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Facebook server status. Tap on the first link there and make sure all the services are operational. If any of the feature is not operating properly, then the app might not work. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.